Hello and welcome to Music Box Designs from the Listening Room. Thank you for joining us today. We are very pleased to introduce our first contribution to the world of hi-fi. This is our moving in stereo full-range bookshelf loudspeaker made in conjunction with Studio for Holland. And we are so excited to be able to finally bring it to the people and get it into your homes and have people experience the speakers for themselves. So 2 years ago, we began this exploration with the audio mastermind Leon Riches of Studio for Holland. And we've come up with what we believe to be an incredible sounding pair of bookshelf speakers. Speakers that we know are not only going to complement your listening room aesthetically, but more importantly, it's going to enhance your listening experience with its full, rich, responsive, tight, big sound that you might be surprised at how big the sound is, particularly the bass coming from this system. But let's take a look at some of the specifics of what's inside and outside. A two-way system with passive crossover in a folded compression ported chamber. It's essentially a music box in a music box with Studio for Holland's proprietary interior design specifications. On the outside, you have our classic kiln-dried edge-glued oak panels, which are the exact dimensions of our standard 12-inch music boxes. So you'll be able to stack these speakers seamlessly onto your existing music boxes. Or, if you have many more music boxes, you could place them in a wall to achieve even better stereo imaging and more lifelike soundstage, sort of akin to wall-mounted speakers without damaging your home. The drivers are composed of two 4-inch mid-range drivers with a paper-coated cone and one 1-inch driver for the high range, and of course the ported bass. The speaker comes with grill cloth, although I know most of you will remove it. It's just set there with magnets. It looks quite beautiful without it when you're not listening. Of course, you can just remove it rather easily. It comes in two different finishes. This is the oiled oak model. The baffle is not oiled. The final version will be oiled, so it will all be oiled. Protects the wood, looks beautiful. The other version is more natural, although it's not natural with nothing on it. In order to protect the wood, we use Osmo Clear. It's a clear coat. It's not a polyurethane. It does darken the wood, as any wood conditioning product does, but it does an incredible job of protecting the wood. And for those that know me and know Music Box Designs, they know that we do not sell any products that we don't indeed use ourselves. This is certainly the case with the moving in stereo speakers. I have gotten rid of and sold my downstairs speakers. I had a beautiful pair of Wharfdales and a pair of Dolly speakers that I am now gotten rid of in favor of our moving in stereo speakers because they just sound better to me. And that's the point of audio gear. We know that you will agree. And if you act now, the first 10 customers to purchase a pair of these speakers will receive a €250 discount. We are funding the first 10 speakers to get the ball rolling and keep them in our line. And so we are offering this discount to the first 10 customers that buy. It's free shipping in North America and all of Europe. If you're outside those areas, feel free to contact us. And if you have any questions, please contact us. All the information is at musicboxdesigns.com. We're more than happy to answer and get back to you. All the specifications are on the website. So thank you so much for stopping by the listening room. I hope to hear from you, and keep on spinning those records. Thank you.